Almost 2 months after the beginning of spring, record-breaking winter weather returned to America with a vengeance, with New York City seeing traces of snow on May 9th, tying a record for the city's latest snowfall. Blame the polar vortex. The polar vortex dumped snow and cold Arctic air on parts of the northeast United States and Canada over Mother's Day weekend. The polar vortex is a band of low-pressure Arctic air normally centered around the North Pole. It is located in the middle and upper tropospheres and extends into the stratosphere. The polar vortex is usually held in place by a current called the jet stream. Disturbances in the jet stream can push frigid, wintry air to parts of Canada and the US, while high-pressure systems of warmer air bulge northwards elsewhere. On Mother's Day weekend, the wobbly polar vortex dumped freezing temperatures on parts of the Midwest and eastern US, with springtime snow falling in parts of New York and New Jersey. Earlier this year, changes in the polar vortex caused another very unusual weather phenomenon. As if a pandemic wasn't enough, there's now a new hole in our atmosphere. Great. But is there a reason to panic? Well, let's jump into how this unusual ozone hole came to be. According to observations from the European Space Agency, a new ozone hole has been spotted above the Arctic. The hole covers less than 1 million square kilometers. The Antarctic hole, on the other hand, can extend to around 20 to 25 million square kilometers. The ESA explains that during this polar winter, strong westerly winds from the polar vortex trapped cold air over the North Pole. When the polar winter ended, the heat from the first sunlight over the Arctic triggered ozone depletion, causing this unusual mini-hole to form. This type of ozone hole formation is different from that of the Antarctic ozone hole, which appears every year due to extremely cold temperatures and pollution derived from human activity. So, to answer our question at the beginning of the video, is there a reason to panic? Well, according to the ESA, although the hole is small, the depletion of ozone over the Arctic has increased in comparison to previous years. That being said, it is not a threat to human health for now because the sun isn't rising too high up in high-latitude regions. However, if the hole ventures to lower, more populated latitudes, then all us humans would have to do is start applying sunscreen. For now, all we can do is wait and see how the ozone hole behaves over the next couple of weeks. Come on, Earth, just one catastrophic event at a time, please. For more news animations and explainers, hit the subscribe and bell button to join the TomoNews family. Thanks for watching.